Sales leaders are dedicated to making massive impact in the lives of their clients through their offers. In this video, we're going to talk about how to design impact-driven offers with your ideal client's transformation in mind so they get the best results out of the work you do. Let's get started. Hey there, I'm Michelle Terpstra, Master Sales Coach and Sales Leadership Mentor for impact-driven entrepreneurs that are seeking to change the world by sharing their expertise through education, coaching, teaching, and service-based offers. Today, we are talking about how to create offers that are not only a joy for you to sell, but actually create a ripple effect of massive impact. After all, sales leaders are dedicated not only to helping their clients get where they want to be, but to making positive change in the world. Let me quickly define what I mean when I say impact. Offers that create impact do three things. First, the offer leads to results in the lives of the people who use it. This is important because this is your first point of impact. Helping them to achieve the transformation they came to you for has the potential to change them forever. And that's what we're going for. 2, the offer positively impacts you, the entrepreneur, bringing lifestyle and financial freedom. You are running a business, so these offers should also positively impact you, empowering and equipping you to keep doing more when they know that their offers are designed to truly change lives. I've helped over 500 business owners step into sales leadership through designing powerful, impact-driven offers, and now I want to help you. When you are designing your impact-driven offer, consider these 7 questions. Number 1, will it influence others to think or act in a different way that will transform their lives or businesses? This is so important. Influence, change. This is how these offers are designed. Number 2, will it help your clients achieve something in less time or with less effort? This is incredibly important because to truly make an impact, you have to change the lives of the people that you're working with. And most desire to accomplish things in less time or with less effort. Number 3, how will your offer provide long-term transformation after your clients are done working with you? This is key. This is huge. This is what changes generations to come, and it empowers entrepreneurs to truly impact the shaping of the entire world. Number 4, will your offer provide the services or coaching to help your clients take massive action to fix a problem, hurdle, or other obstacle? The reason why this is so important is that as educators, as mission-driven entrepreneurs looking to make an impact, it's super easy to get into teaching mode, right? So you feel amazing that you're able to coach or teach someone, but if they're not taking massive action, the offer needs to be adjusted. Number 5, does this offer allow you the opportunity to live a lifestyle that supports your energy and flow so that you can remain creative and dedicated to fulfilling your mission? This is incredibly important. If you create an offer that drains you, you won't be able to make the impact that you were designed to do. Number 6, are you priced to profit so that you can support yourself, your family, and grow a sustainable business that can continue to make an impact for years to come? Having at least one premium offer in your suite will help you achieve just that. And lastly, does your offer create a ripple effect by empowering your clients to use what they've learned to impact others? This is huge. This is what changes everything right here. If you are truly an impact-driven entrepreneur and want to create an offer like this, it has to carry on. For example, as a sales coach, if I teach you to create these amazing offers, then everyone you touch is impacted too. So I'm not just helping you, I'm helping everyone that you help. So we want the same type of ripple effect to happen in your business. Now, take a moment to look at your own offer suite right now and identify which of these considerations and questions you need to work on to make sure that your offer is truly impact driven. If you're like most of the entrepreneurs I work with, you notice that you have room to grow when it comes to designing an offer that is truly irresistible to your ideal clients. If you want the exact steps to not only create this offer, but sell it too, then jump on over and register for my Masterclass. The Rock Your Revenue Masterclass will help you learn the mid-funnel Maven method to effortlessly create an aligned sales system on rinse and repeat that attracts premium customers that can't wait to work with you. We'll also discuss the 6 essential steps every impact-driven entrepreneur needs to ditch the revenue roller coaster and lock in consistent cash. We'll also talk about the secret formula top entrepreneurs use to confidently convert dream clients without the stress, sweat, or sleaze using my Empowered Yes formula. We'll also discuss how to ensure that your sales conversations never leave you ghosted or confused, and how to identify the hottest leads who are most eager to buy from you right now. Lastly, why anyone can activate a one-of-a-kind feel-good sales strategy by using 3 timeless elements. If this sounds amazing to you, then head on over to rockyourrevenuenow.com to register. And that wraps up sales principle number 1. We have 5 more, so make sure that you hit that bell right now to make sure that you're notified as soon as the next principle is released.